Good morning everyone. Question number 5 of exercise 6.2 is given. Find the sum, and question number A is given within bracket minus 7 plus within bracket minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. So here first of all we will add the negative integers first and positive integers separately. So first of all here we have two negative integers. Since we have two negative integers, so we have to add and the answer will take a negative sign. So here it will be minus 7 plus 9 is 16, and here we have two positive integers, so we will add and the answer will be 20. Now here we have one negative integer and one positive integer. Since we have one negative integer and one positive integer, we will subtract and the answer will take the sign of the greater integer. And here the greater integer is 20. Sign of 20 is positive. So our answer will be positive. And if we subtract 16 from 20, we will get 4. So answer will be 4. Question number B is within bracket 37, which is positive, plus within bracket minus 2 plus within bracket minus 65 plus within bracket minus 8. So here first of all we will add negative integers. So we will keep 37 and minus 2 same, and we will do with minus 65 and minus 8. Since we have two negative integers, so we will add and answer will take a negative sign. 65 plus 8 is 73. Now again we will consider minus 2 and minus 73. So from here we will get minus 75. Now we have one positive integer and one negative integer. So we will subtract and the answer will take the sign of the greater integer. Here the greater integer is 75 and the sign of 75 is negative. That means minus. So answer will be minus 38. 75 minus 37 is 38. So the answer is minus 38. So here one note is given. Always remember this, bracket means multiplication. So if we have positive sign outside and inside bracket some positive number and this box will represent a number, then plus into plus will be plus. Plus means positive and plus number we can write only the number. So if we write plus within bracket plus 2, then it will be 2 because plus into plus is plus. And plus 2, if it is written within bracket plus 2 only, then outside the bracket nothing is given. If nothing is given, then there is a positive sign. So again plus into plus is plus, so it will be 2. Now if outside the bracket plus and inside the bracket minus something is given, plus into minus will be minus. In the same way, if outside the bracket minus and inside the bracket plus, then minus into plus will be again minus. It can be written as minus within bracket a number. Inside the bracket before the number, here no sign is given. If no sign is given, then here it is a positive sign. So negative into positive will be negative. So minus the box, that means a number. So if a question is given like plus within bracket minus 2, then it will be minus 2. If it is given minus within bracket plus 2, then again it is minus 2. If it is given minus within bracket 2, then it is minus 2 because inside the bracket 2 is positive. Now if it is given minus within bracket minus something, then minus into minus plus, plus something. If the question is given minus within bracket minus 2, then minus into minus plus, plus 2, that means 2. Always remember these things. Example 8, subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So what we have to subtract? We have to subtract minus 4 from which? From minus 10. So we have to first write minus 10, then we have to give the minus sign for subtraction, then we have to write minus 4 within bracket. Now Since here no sign is given, here it will be positive. Positive into negative is negative, so minus 10. Now here we have negative sign inside the bracket. With 4 we have a negative sign. Negative into negative is positive, so it will be plus 4. Since we have one negative integer and one positive integer, we have to subtract and the answer will take the sign of the greater integer. Here the greater integer is 10 and sign of 10 is negative. So the answer will be minus 10 minus 4 is 6, minus 6. In the same way, we have to subtract plus 3 from minus 3. So we have to first write minus 3, then for subtraction minus, then within bracket plus 3. Since we don't have any sign here, so here we have positive sign. Positive into negative is negative. Again negative into positive is negative. So minus 3 minus 3, since we have two negative integers, so we will add, the answer will take a negative sign. So 3 plus 3 is 6, so the answer will be minus 6. Then question number 1 of exercise 6.3, here it is given 35 minus within bracket 20, so 20 is positive, so it will become 35 minus 20, so the answer will be 15. Next is given 72 minus within bracket 90, since 90 is positive, so plus into minus is minus, so 72 minus 90, the answer will be minus 18. Here it is given within bracket minus 15 minus within bracket minus 18. So plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So minus 15 plus 18 will be 3. Within bracket minus 20 minus within bracket 13. So plus into minus, minus 20, and minus into plus 13, minus 13. So since we have two negative integers, we will add and the answer will take a negative sign, so minus 33. Then 23 minus within bracket minus 12, 23 is positive and minus into minus will be plus, so it will be plus 12, so the answer will be 35. Minus 32 within bracket minus 32 minus within bracket minus 40. Since before the bracket we don't have any sign, that means it will be positive, so positive into negative is negative, so minus 32. Here minus within bracket minus 40, so minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is plus, so minus 32 plus 40 is 8. Question number 2 of exercise 6.3, here in each question we have to fill up the blanks with the sign greater than, less than or equal. So question number A of question number 2, here it is given within bracket minus 3 plus within bracket minus 6. So from here we will do the calculation. So we will get minus 3 minus 6, so it will be minus 9. On the other side we have within bracket minus 3 minus within bracket minus 6. So from here we will get minus 3 plus 6, so it will be 3. Now if we compare minus 9 and 3, minus 9 is less than 3. Question number B, here it is given within bracket minus 21 minus within bracket minus 10. So from here we will get minus 21 and minus into minus plus, so plus 10. From here we will get minus 11. And in this side we have within bracket minus 31 plus within bracket minus 11. So from here we will get minus 31 and minus 11, so it will be minus 42. Now since both the integers are negative, one side we have minus 11 and in another side we have minus 42. So minus 42 is less than minus 11. Question number C, 45 minus within bracket minus 11. So for this part we have 42 minus into minus plus, so 45 plus 11, so 56. In this side we have 57 plus within bracket minus 4, so 57 minus 4, so we have 53. 53 is less than 56. Question number D, minus 25 within bracket minus 25 minus within bracket minus 42. So from here we will get minus 25 minus into minus plus 42, so plus 17. Here we have within bracket minus 42 minus within bracket minus 25. So from here we will get minus 42 plus 25, so it will be minus 17. So minus 17 is less than plus 17. So here will be the answer.